Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, a founding attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today, I want to talk to you about the charge of aggravated assault, which is found at Section 2702 of the Pennsylvania Crimes Code. To begin with, common misconception about aggravated assault is that it is somehow a lesser form of assault, that is, that it is in response to an aggravation. That is not the case. In fact, aggravated assault means it's a more serious form of assault than simple assault. In other words, it's a more serious criminal charge. In Pennsylvania, aggravated assault is one of the most serious charges that you can face. It is a crime of violence that typically requires a showing of an intention to cause either serious bodily injury or death. Aggravated assault can occur in multiple situations where there is a deadly weapon involved and you try to hurt someone, or where you try to hurt someone so badly that they die or have serious bodily injury. Aggravated assault is also charged, though, when you assault certain classes of protected individuals. These include police officers, firefighters, correctional employees, or even teachers in many circumstances. As a result, many people are surprised when they are arrested, even wrongly arrested, that they are charged with aggravated assault as a result of a scuffle that may have happened while they tried to pull their arm away from a police officer or something like that. Aggravated assault, typically in Pennsylvania, has not been allowed by courts where it was only a minor scuffle with a police officer. It has to be something very serious, something more than just a minor interaction with that officer. When it comes to defending against aggravated assault charges, it's really important that you gather evidence early with a criminal defense attorney who can help you figure out what you're looking for. For example, about a year ago, I had one trial involving an individual who was charged with aggravated assault with a pitchfork. He was at a workplace and he was charged with this crime as a result of an interaction with a coworker. We were able to show that the coworker had been threatening him repeatedly and had actually physically assaulted him, which led to the other coworker actually injuring himself as a result of running into the individual while he was holding this pitchfork. In other words, just because you have a deadly weapon on you doesn't mean that someone else's injury is the result of an aggravated assault. It's important when you're facing serious criminal charges like aggravated assault that you be prepared to challenge the charges against you and go to trial if necessary to protect your rights. At Cornerstone Law Firm, we help people who are charged with crimes every day to find appropriate resolutions to their crime. If you've been charged with aggravated assault, give us a call or shoot us an email and let us walk you through your options. There are many things that can be positive resolutions to criminal charges, and we'll be happy to talk to you about your options. Give us a call today.